Let's try this again. Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. This is the first time I have recorded since I got back from my trip. And to say the least, like, I missed my ring light so much while I was gone, and that's why you guys seen a few videos filmed in that different setting. Like, I wasn't going to tell you guys where I was at or what I was doing just for, like, you know, safety reasons. Let's dive into this video. Today we're going to be doing our BOXYCHARM unboxing, and before we get into the video, please be sure to go ahead and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe down below to join my fam jam here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and dive on into the box. This month's box, it is called Alter Ego. Interesting. So that's what the little card dude looks like. So diving into the box, first up we've got this, I'm not even going to try to pronounce this word. It's a lace and peel black bamboo charcoal mask. So basically, I've seen this done a couple of times with other people's BOXYCHARM videos already. You basically put this stuff on your face and then apply this like sheet mask over it. Not sure, but I am pretty excited. It does say you get 2 lace masks down here, so at least you get 2 in here and it's not just like 1. So I'm excited about that. Next up in this box is this Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm by Pharmacy. That's what it looks like. It smells really refreshing. Like, I would put this all over my face to take my makeup off, for sure. Like, I love that scent. It's like a clean, like almost aloe vera type scent, almost. I don't know. Next up in the box is this Kat Von D Everlasting Lipstick. Looks like I got the shade Vampira? Vampy shade. It's a very dark vampy shade. Now, I was told in my sneak peek of my box that I was going to get the red shade. So, I don't know what happened there. Some cross communication. That's what happened. Next up in the box is this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So here's what the wand looks like. The thing in this box is this Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. So on one side you've got a bronzer, 2 blushes which look to be super dark and probably won't work for my skin tone. And then you got 1 highlighter and 6 eyeshadows, 1 matte and 5 shimmers. So we're going to do a quick little swatching try-on portion of this video. I'm going to make it really quick, simple, because this girl's got another video to film after this. So I didn't know we were getting this Pure palette, and I wanted to just go ahead and try out. First, let's swatch. That's always a good thing to do. So we're going to start off with the face side of the palette. Okay, so here is the highlight, and then this is Hidden Secret, Reveal, and then the bronzer is called Enchantment. This bronzer is a shimmer bronzer. Who wants a shimmer bronzer on their face? I don't know. This palette is it's kind of confusing me. Let me know in the comments below if y'all feel confused by this palette. Like, do you see these like blush tones? Like, these are so dark. I'm gonna have to use those as eyeshadows. Alright, I'm gonna quit my banter. I'm gonna quit bantering. Alright, next is gonna be the shade called Exposed. And then we've got Sneak Peek. We've got 12 AM. So those are the shades. The eyeshadows they swatched beautifully. I am really excited about the eyeshadows. Okay, so I'm just going to I'm gonna go in, I think I'm gonna take this matte brown shade and I'm just gonna try to go in with like a really light hand. No, you know what, we're gonna go in with Enchantment, the bronzer. We're gonna take that and work that into the crease since it's a lighter color and I don't want that deep of a shade in my crease. This is actually a really pretty color, but I think it would be awful as a bronzer. I don't know about y'all, but I'm probably going to end up using this whole entire palette as an eyeshadow palette. Alright, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the Sneak Peek shade, that darker brown, and then just work that into my outer part of my V here. Alrighty, and then we're going to go into this shade here. It's called Reveal, and I'm just going to take my finger and apply that into the middle part of my eye to kind of create a halo effect. Alright, and then I'm going to take the shade Exposed, which is that silver shade, and I'm going to work that into my inner corner as a highlight. So yeah guys, this is a really simple eye look. I think it turned out really pretty. I am gonna go ahead and try out this Vampira lip color. Okay, so that is 3 coats of the mascara on my eyes, and that's kind of what I normally do, is like 3 coats of mascara. I really like this. I'm kind of excited, and this lip color is kind of surprising me. I kind of am digging it too. Still not too excited about this palette here. Like, I feel like it could be way better than what it is, but overall I think this month's box was a hit for me. If I like at least 3 or 4 things out of the box, I'm pretty happy about it. And I'm excited about the face mask and that makeup remover balm. That stuff smells amazing. So yeah guys, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.